I get your portrait, sir. You mind?
I'd rather you didn't.
No problem.
Right. All right.
All right, mate.
While you're doing that, hold on, bike travel.
I get your portrait, please.
Yes, of course.
Yes, yeah, you might like this one.
Yeah, go come here because then we're out the way. Oh, that's so cool, thank you.
Can I get your portrait, please?
I thought you never asked, darling.
I
Of
was
course
just
you
waiting for you patiently.
Hold on.
Excellent,
Thank you so much.
I'll give you a card, it'll be on there,
sure.
just download it, yeah?
Will do, thank you so much. Thank you.
Most excellent, that. Most excellent. Can I get the portrait, mate? So it's not straight off the end, is that alright? It's nice and close to be on
Oh, brilliant, thank you.
it. It's on, I'll put it on the website, self yourself, copies free.
Alright, thank you.
Good day, mate. It's Bing, man. Bing, what?